Guys, this is Nick, No Filter Reviews. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cook breakfast sausage on the Foreman. Yeah. So stay tuned for that. Also look in the description for links. There's something I want to talk to you guys about real quick before we get started. The stock market. You can use the app called Robinhood. And what that does is it allows you to do commission-free trading on your phone. If you sign up with the link down below, I get a free stock, you get a free stock. You literally have nothing to lose. You could sign all the way up, get the free stock and bell and sell, and you get like $5. Or you can get, a more expensive stock. It's a roll of the dice. So keep watching. Stay tuned. Obviously, the first step is to make sure that this is thawed out, right? See that use by date or freeze by date? It's been frozen. We thawed it out this morning, and now we're just gonna use the Foreman to get this bad boy cooking. Hook up the Foreman, you turn it on, and you let it heat for 5 minutes or until this light turns back off. Voila! It's unwrapped. Alright. So, I'm going to take this bad boy over here. And we're going to separate these. We're going to put them on here once this light goes off. The light's off, which means it's ready to cook. And we're going to put the sausage in here, but we're not going to let this slam. We're going to close it very softly because these are soft. So. Guys, moment of truth, 9 minutes is up. I get a good temp reading on this time. 160, baby. 160 is what we're looking for here. Oh yeah. We're over. I do think we're good though. We're not gonna die from getting brainworms, so. I told y'all, like, this is my first time. I'm not a cook. I'm a hillbilly at best. Just saying. So, kind of learning this together. Trying to cook some sausage. And I make a perfectly good stove right there. But if you have a Foreman and you don't have a stove, or you don't want to use the stove or whatever, you can cook breakfast sausage on it. You know what I'm saying? And I would go for 9 minutes.